Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the save issue. Try Save as to Desktop so you separate file permissions from app problems. Once done, check the folder permissions and confirm the path is reachable. Network drives often drop connections. Make sure OneDrive or SharePoint isn't blocking saves due to sync conflicts or low storage. If prompted to resolve a conflict, address it now. This rapid isolation tells you whether PowerPoint or external storage is causing the failure. You repair the app when file location is fine. Open app settings and run quick repair. If that doesn't fix it, run online repair for a deeper restore. Next, disable add-ins because a faulty extension often blocks saving. Restart PowerPoint and enable add-ins one at a time to find the culprit. Also make sure Office updates are installed, since patches fix save bugs. By sequentially repairing, disabling, and updating, you eliminate software-caused save errors. You finish by preserving your work and applying final fixes. Immediately save as a different file name or format to recover the current content, and export or copy slides into a new presentation to bypass corruption. If problems persist, clear the Office cache and temp files and run a disk check to catch file system errors. One key troubleshooting tip: create a new user profile or test on another machine. If saving works there, the issue is local to your profile or PC.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.